Today, I'm diving into the wild world of fashion and finance to see if I can figure out if Sidney Sweeney's style actually moves Wall Street markets. Sidney Sweeney is definitely making waves in Hollywood, and it's not just her acting skills grabbing attention. Her fashion sense is on point, turning heads both on and off the screen. Whether she's walking the red carpet or just running errands, she always looks put together. Understanding how celebrity fashion choices might influence financial markets is tricky. It's hard to draw a direct line between what someone wears and stock market movements. Consumer behavior is complex, and there are many factors at play. For instance, a celebrity's fashion choice might inspire their fans to buy similar items, but it could also be just a small part of a larger trend. Celebrities often have huge followings, and their fashion choices can inspire fans to buy similar items. This can drive sales for certain brands or styles, potentially impacting related stocks. But it's not always clear how much of an effect this really has. Sometimes, it's just a coincidence that a celebrity's fashion choice aligns with a market trend. Sidney Sweeney recently wore a stunning outfit to a high-profile event, and it got a lot of attention. The fashion industry is always evolving, with new trends emerging all the time. Some of these trends correlate with stock market movements, but it's not always straightforward. A particular style might be popular one season and then be replaced by something else. The fashion industry's impact on the stock market can be significant, with certain brands or trends driving sales and influencing stock prices. For example, the rise of sustainable fashion has led to increased interest in eco-friendly clothing brands. This shift in consumer behavior can have a noticeable impact on the stock market. There was a time when Sidney Sweeney wore a specific designer dress that caught my attention. The dress was from a brand that was already popular, but after she wore it, the brand's stock saw a noticeable bump. It's hard to say for sure if her choice was the cause, but it's definitely an interesting coincidence. The brand stock price increased by a few points in the days following her appearance. This instance highlights the potential power of celebrity influence on market trends. When a popular celebrity like Sidney Sweeney wears a particular brand or style, it can draw attention to that company and potentially drive sales. This can have a ripple effect on the stock market. In examining the connection between Sidney Sweeney's fashion choices and stock market movements, I've gained some insights. It's clear that celebrity fashion can have an impact on market trends, but it's not always easy to predict or quantify. The relationship between fashion and finance is complex, and there are many factors at play.